Classifying wallets can be confusing as there are groups within groups and the information changes as the technology changes. The first classification is whether or not a wallet is cold or hot. A cold wallet is considered the safest because it is not connected to the internet. Typically you would store the bulk of your coins in a cold wallet. A hot wallet is the opposite. It is either connected to the internet or is located on it. Transactions from your hot wallet happen much faster because being online makes your coins accessible, so you would typically use a hot wallet for everyday use. Software wallets basically mean that wallet software needs to be installed on your computer or mobile device. Software wallets are the most common type of wallet and are considered to be hot wallets. In this scenario, the software will store your private key directly onto a device. There are differences and similarities between desktop and mobile options. Desktop wallets require you to download software onto your computer or laptop, and they are considered to be a hot wallet. They are only accessible from the device that has the software installed. A desktop wallet is easier to use and considered safer than online or mobile wallets. This entirely depends though on your online security habits. Should your computer get hacked, receive a virus or get damaged, you could potentially lose all of your cryptocurrency. So make regular backups of your wallet and store them on a different device to help offset the security issues. Just like desktop wallets, mobile wallets require you to install an application on your phone. Due to the limited space on a typical mobile device, these wallets tend to be smaller and simpler than their desktop equivalents. However, mobile wallets allow you to use them anywhere you go and can provide extra features that online wallets don't have. Never keep all your cryptocurrency on your mobile device, as it is too easy to lose it, just like a traditional wallet. Software wallets are easy to use. Your keys are stored in your device and not on a third-party server. Mobile versions are more practical for everyday use. They are more secure than online wallets. Data is available on the user's own computer or mobile device. They are easier to back up yourself, and you have control over your cryptocurrency. On the downside, a wallet is lost if your device is lost, stolen or seriously damaged. A desktop wallet can only be accessed at its physical location, and hackers can hack the computer or mobile device to gain access to your wallet. Popular mobile wallet options include Bread Wallet and Mycelium. Desktop options include electrum.org, Bitcoin Core, Armory, Exodus.io, and both platforms are covered by copay.io and jax.io. Online or web wallets are also considered as hot wallets. They are the most user-friendly of all wallets and only require access to a web browser on any device that is connected to the internet. The most important point to remember here is that while they may be the easiest to use, they are also considered to be the least secure. Online wallets store your private keys on a server and are controlled by a third party. We strongly recommend not storing the majority of your coins in an online wallet. Online exchanges and wallets are extremely attractive to hackers. The pros of online wallets include easy to use and set up, accessible from any internet-connected device. Online wallets are usually linked to cryptocurrency exchanges. They are the fastest way to complete transactions and ideal for holding small amounts of cryptocurrency. The cons of online wallets are that your private keys are on a third-party server. They are more prone to hackers, malware, keyloggers, phishing scams and viruses. They are prone to technical glitches. And you have less control over your coins. The website can limit or suspend your account whenever they want to and for whatever reason. Popular choices include blockchain.info, coinbase.com, exchanges like bitrex.com or quadriga.cx, and online wallets like coins.ph and green address. A hardware wallet is a special type of wallet that stores a user's private keys on a physical device. They are considered to be cold storage or a cold wallet. You are required to install an application on a computer or a mobile device. You need to then connect this to a physical device that looks similar to a USB when making transactions. Using a hardware wallet for transactions is a very simple process. You plug it in, enter a PIN, send your currency, confirm the transaction, and then disconnect it and store it away until the next time. Your private keys and money are now stored offline on the device itself, making it harder to get viruses, malware, or attacks from hackers. Some of the pros of hardware wallets include a better overall security than other wallet types. Backup options and password protection are available. Some devices come with screens, eliminating the need to use a computer to back up your keys. Depending on the hardware wallet you decide to use, they can support different currencies. They are excellent for storing large amounts of cryptocurrency, and of course they are very portable. However, hard wallets are less user-friendly than web, online or desktop wallets, but easier to use than paper. You must purchase the device first, and they are often out of stock. And due to their small size, they can get lost or damaged. Popular choices for hardware wallets include ledgerwallet.com, bitcointrezor.com and keepkey.com. The most basic form of cold storage is the paper wallet. It was also the standard form of cold storage before the hardware wallet. They are easy to use and are the most hacker-proof of all currency wallets because your coin data isn't stored on any device. A paper wallet simply refers to literally a physical copy or printout of your public and private keys. This usually involves using paper wallet software to generate the keys and then a printer. The document that you print usually has a QR code on it so that it can be easily scanned to complete a transaction. To transfer coins to your paper wallet, you transfer the funds from your software wallet to the public key in your paper wallet, either by scanning the QR code or manually entering the private keys. To transfer coins from your paper wallet, you do this in reverse, and this process is called sweeping. Paper wallets give you more control of your wallet, more security than online and software wallets, because both the private and public keys are printed on a piece of paper. They can be stored and taken care of without an internet connection. And they are one of the most hacker-proof crypto wallet choices because they are not stored on a computer. And private keys are not stored on a third-party server. On the downside, paper wallets can get damaged over time. If the paper is lost or destroyed, the user will be unable to access their address where their funds are stored. Making multiple copies to avoid the risk of damage will make the wallet more prone to being stolen. and it just takes more effort to move cryptocurrencies around. Most software and online wallets do offer paper wallets. If the ones you choose or have already chosen don't provide this, and you would like a paper wallet, then try Bitaddress or Bitcoin Paper Wallet.